Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This week, for the next 12 weeks, I'm going to be showing you a calendar kit crush. So I bought this calendar back in 2006 and I wanted to use it to make simple layouts. So what I'm doing here is cutting apart the pages from the spiral to use them as a layout in a 12 by 12 page. I just showed you a tool that I bought at the Dollar Tree. And it came with like 4 or 5 different blades, so it was a really good deal. So it was that little knife and 5 blades for $1. Gonna continue to cut these down, sped it up for you guys so you don't have to watch me do all of that. So these layouts are going to be about 10 to 15 minutes long, with minimal embellishments, like you'll see in the video that's coming up, that I'm going to try to make embellishments work, but they're not. The pages are already pretty much done, so I don't have very much to do. All right, I'm going to get these papers together for you guys to show you exactly what you get. Here are the embellishments that they comes with. I think there are 2 pages that are stickers, and then the others are just like cut aparts and things that you can punch out. Those are borders. Oh, I tried to use one of those. Doesn't work. So these are they're really cool embellishments. I like all of the gold foil things that come with it. So I'm counting out the pages of embellishments that I get in the kit. And like I said, I bought it in 2006, so I don't know how much it cost. I just know I got it from Michael's. All right, so this is the one. Oh, well, no, I'm showing you guys what you get, like what pages I'm going to be using. It's going to be 12 of them. And guys, when I tell you these pages come together so quick, unless you just want to go extra all in, you can have a layout within 5 minutes. Some of them require nothing. I'm excited because these have been so fun to use, and I'm loving doing that. All right, so here's the one that I chose for today. It's a picture of my son and I. He is no longer that size. So what I'm going to do first is cut around the paper, because that perforated part at the bottom, I don't like that, and I knew I wanted to back the paper. So I'm going to also cut along the sides. At first I thought I could use the paper on the back because it has a pattern on it. So I'm going to cut it off and flip it over and try to use it, but I realized I didn't like it. So you'll see here in a minute what I'm going to do. I'm making sure I cut it straight because sometimes my cutter gets a little wonky. All right, so okay guys, I'm going to speed you up while I cut out the blue around the border of the page. Now that that's done, I'm going to try to attempt, I'm showing you how my son has scribbled on my cutting board. I'm going to try to attempt to put that blue piece behind it as like a border for the page, but I know I need to back it on some white cardstock. So when I lay it, I'm like, I cut it wrong. I don't know what happened, but some kind of way, one side was longer than the other. I couldn't make it work. So you're going to see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take the, I'm looking at my stash. That's what's taking me so long. I'm looking at my stash to find another paper to put along the right side. So it's going to be like blue on the top and the left, and then another paper on the bottom. There's the white cardstock, and I realized I needed to back it. Oh, sorry. Out of focus there. I was reaching for my glue. So I'm going to glue this down, and you'll see it goes really fast, guys. So there's not a lot of technical work for this background. Okay, guys, what I'm doing here is flipping through the papers, trying to find a piece to back the blue for the top, the right, and the bottom. I chose the paper from Amy Tan with all of the banners on it. So I'm going to back that behind the blue and go from there. Okay guys, I'm going to speed you up here a little bit so that you don't have to watch me put tape on the back of the paper and stick it to the cardstock. And I'm going to get my picture glued down and I'll be back. Now that my photo is stuck down, I'm going to reach for the embellishments that came with the calendar kit and see if I can use some on the page to enhance it. But the only embellishment that I find that works is going to be a little pink heart that I'm going to put right there on that yellow circle that's on the right hand side above the Love This. I pull another little piece that has a blue, it's like teal and has some a phrase on it, but I couldn't make it work anywhere. So I decided to scrap that and didn't use it. I put it away to the side, fix the heart, and then I think from here I'm going to go into my journaling. And I got this idea from Adele to put the journaling around a layout. My handwriting is not the best by any means, but I love to do handwriting. So there's that piece that I'm going to try to use. It didn't work. I fixed the heart, and now I'm going into my journaling. I got this idea from Adele. She does it a lot where she scripts around the border of her layouts to bring some contrast. My journaling says, "From the time you started growing in my stomach, I knew you'd be someone special. The love I have for you is unconditional. I'll never know a love so true. You will forever be in my heart. I promise to always be here for you and to continue to support and love you." That is my little man, guys. He's not that little anymore. So after I'm done wrapping up my journaling around the page, I'm going to call the layout done. I think at the end I'm going to put some little black dashes around the heart to bring in the black to match the journaling, to offset the journaling. And then I'll be done. Quick, easy, simple. I think that took all of about 10 minutes. I think it took me longer to actually cut the pages off of the calendar than to put this layout together. So stay tuned for some close-ups. Not very much to have close-ups of, but I'm going to give you some. And until next time, guys, I hope you join me for this mini-series. Every Wednesday, I'm going to be uploading a video about the calendar, showing you how easy and quick it is. And I know this one is old and you probably can't find it anymore, but any calendar kit will work. So enjoy the close-ups. Until next time, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for my channel. Bye-bye.